Hi, Mama, Papa. Hi, Mama and Papa.
Hi Mom, hi Dad. Just want to say congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. Sorry that we could not make it. You know how it is. But we just want to say have a safe and happy trip and many more years to come. And anyways, we want to just say hello to our extended family in the Philippines. We miss you. This is Isaiah, this is Amalia, my husband Clarence, and it's me, Joanne. So you guys take care and we'll see you guys very soon.
Hi, Mama and Papa. I love you. I miss you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thank you for the good stuff you did for me, and I will see you when you get back. I love you. Bye.
Action!
Action! Hi, Mama and Papa and
Hi.
Mom and all the relatives and Uncle John. Mama and Papa is the best. Mama cook every time, sinigang every time, sometimes too much times.
Every time!
Sometimes kare-kare. Papa, I don't know, sometimes like eat dinner with us every time, bowling, fishing, even when he off. But we still love them and congratulations.
Congratulations, sorry we couldn't make it, but we just want to say hello to everybody. Mama and Papa, we miss you. Maybe you guys should come home soon so somebody could cook for us.
Yeah. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Xmas, and thank you, Mom, for cooking. Thank you for Papa for being cool and shoots.
Pinoy Pride!
Manny Pacquiao!